The staff here have really, I think, appreciated this new set of skills that they've got from Write That Essay. I think for them, because we have all known as a staff for quite a few years that things weren't working so well in writing, and you know how committed teachers are to the students and to this community. This is very much a community-oriented school. So the staff here really needed to, to feel as though they had the capacity to kind of try and help deal with that issue. And I think they felt like they were hitting their head against a wall a bit, and they felt like they weren't really having the success that they wanted. Now they feel quite confident walking into writing. Yeah, it is amazing. It gives us that ability to say, okay, we have this issue with writing, but we're addressing it, and we know the techniques that we need to address it. And I was really glad to be able to celebrate with staff that one of our students was just selected on the statewide QCS test. She was selected as the exemplar for writing. So we had this whole program of Write That Essay in our QCS writing program for the first time. This is the first time that's ever happened in this school that one of our students has been selected as an exemplar. So we were rapt, and I was able to celebrate that with all the staff and say, look, this is because of our literacy training, and this is because of our skills in writing, and maybe we've come up with something here that these students are able to use and translate into these exam type situations that can actually really help them. So everyone was pretty excited about that one as well.